In 1996, my family and I started the first wind power services company in the U.S. That company became part of IPS in 2008, and today, IPS is North America's #1 supplier of wind turbine and generator service and repair.
IPS gives you coast-to-coast coverage with a local presence.
And one standard for safety, quality, service, and value across North America.
We do it all. No matter what the turbine size, style, or design you run, we have a solution for you.
In-shop repair, up-tower services, and distribution of parts and generators.
Electrical repairs, including wind generators, pitch and yaw motors, and electronic boards.
Reliability-driven rewinds, engineered for more uptime.
Mechanical repairs include generator slip rings, main shafts, and bearing changeouts.
When it comes to keeping your generators running, nobody does more for you than IPS. Predictive and preventive maintenance, generator exchange and replacement, electrical and vibration diagnostics, and gearbox oil changes.
We've done over 4,000 bearing changeouts, more than 1,000 slip ring rebuilds and replacements, and 250 plus rotor lead replacements, all up tower. We do precision machining up tower to repair generator shaft damage and much more.
WindGuard, the installation system custom engineered to prevent the problems that cause premature wind generator failures. Engineered, reliable solutions to keep your downtime to a minimum.
And we do it all with a company-wide commitment to safety.
Our policy is to exceed all safety regulations, and our EMR is well below the industry average.
When it makes more sense to replace than repair, we have you covered.
We have what you need in stock, or we'll find it fast.
Like brushes, greases, bearings, and couplers.
We stock new and exchange generators to keep you online.
Are you ready for single-source wind service capabilities delivered with an unmatched customer experience? It's time to talk with IPS.